Kidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka AK Production ne kasngi ka sipotrek Naiwieng. Kalapan bana bakan sa Pynlong ya ka fresh face competition la syai kasngi ka khatwai trek Naiwieng. But ya gani ka Ïakob on Pynlong hapo Asian Confluence kabaran hala imkra Shillong. Na kalyang usamla na darwel misil ubadai organizer but director jong ka fresh face. Mulai tu baki don hadu arpoi ngot kirang bagi Thei kibani shimenta hakani ka Ïakob. Bakan top ya khat angot ki shinrang but khandai ngot ki Thei. But hakani ka Ïakob ka AK Production kalapan krea ru ya ka khusna merengkat ka song pisa na ka benta kinong job. Katong hi jong gani ka Ïakob kalong ban ai man sia mi kisamla ki badan shisha haki benta baper haki jingla kai halo Rynsan kan top ru kita masa bat kum kini ki Rynsan.
Event tomorrow at Ancient Conference Habitat. The red carpet starts at 5:30 and the event will probably go on from 6:30 and the winners will also get to walk for the Vupa Kashmir, which will be held next year.